What's up guys, I'm Waqzite for Waqzite, and on this video we will be creating this kind of transparent glass design inside a Photoshop. By the way, you can download the project file absolutely for free by clicking on the link in the video's description. Anyways, let's jump to the video and get started. First of all, choose any image for the design and unlock this background layer. Rename it background and convert it into a smart object. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J and rename it glass. Now in order to create this kind of rounded rectangular selection, we need to select this rectangle tool and create a rectangle. We can also change its roundness by changing these values. To align the rectangle into the center, pick the move tool and select whole canvas by pressing Ctrl A. Click on align horizontal center and then click on align vertical center and then press Ctrl T to deselect the selection. Now hold the Ctrl key and click on the layer. It will make selection around this rectangle. Now you can also delete this layer because we don't need it anymore. Click on this icon to add layer mask to the selected layer. Unlink it by clicking here and make sure the layer is active and then go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Increase its blur radius to about 15 and then hit OK. Press Ctrl L to open curves and move the slider to the left and then hit OK. Now right click on it and choose blending option. In the layer style menu, click on drop shadow. Drop down its opacity to 20% and increase its distance to about 50. Also increase its scale to about 55. When it is done, click on bevel and emboss. First of all, drop down its opacity to 0 of the shadow. Keep the size about 3 pixels and increase its size to about 5. You can also change the highlight opacity if you want to and then hit OK. You can also change the image by double clicking on this layer and here you can replace your image. Scale it and press enter to confirm it. Now close the document and save it and it will do everything for you. Now you can also add text to the design just like this. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I will be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.